beautiful people. Today I am making Swibble Orange Popsicle, also known as Pennacool. Start by peeling the Swibble orange. Cut, squeeze, then strain the oranges into a container. The 4 Swibble orange equal to 1 cup. Add 1½ cup water, 1 teaspoon pear essence, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar, which can also be substituted with honey. Fill the bags with the liquid, then seal the top. Place in the freezer until solid. Enjoy this delicious treat all summer long. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments section if you will be trying this recipe. Don't forget to like this video, share it with a family member or friend, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never missed a video. Thanks again for watching and see you soon.